Caleb. Good morning. Let's have a quiz. What is the sound of letter A? Very good. That is correct. What is the sound of letter B? Ay sus, hindi yun letter B. Paano galit ni Caleb? Ganyan pala. Paano yung where is your head? Ayan. Dali na, sit down ka muna, nagku-quiz. Pa-sit down mo siya.
Sit down mo daw. Up.
Dali, up na, up.
Up. Dali.
Huwag na ganyan. Kasi nagku-quiz ka.
Next question.
Next question. What is the sound of letter S? Nagagalit ka? What is the sound of letter M? What is the sound of letter P? P. Ano ba yan? Gumaganyan ka. Wag na mag-quiz kasi